In this YouTube video, I'll show you an easy trading strategy how you can make money trading meme coins. Yo, what's going on, boys and girls? My name is Cransby, and in this YouTube video, I'll literally show you the easiest approach how you can trade meme coins and make money. Of course, I recently just started out my YouTube game, so it would mean a world to me if you would subscribe to it. And if you do subscribe to it, then you will literally see the real deal, no bullshit, and literally strategies which I'm using and sharing now to you guys. So without further ado, let's just dig in and I will show you how I actually do it. So the first thing you do is you go to the Axiom trading platform. Yes, it is still the best trading platform out there. And let me quickly show you the few reasons it actually is the best trading platform. So first one is of course the reward system. So basically, if you trade on Bullux or you use any kind of other platform, then basically you are paying 1% or even higher fees per trade, which goes to their platform pockets. But if you trade right now on Axiom, so you get half of the percentage to you. You can see already I have received 12.51 solanas. So of course, then further you can see the customized Twitter tracker where basically you can add multiple accounts which you can trace it and see basically every single fresh tweet which is down below there. You can see all the fresh tweets coming out from those accounts. Then further, of course, we have filter section which can basically minimize your risks to buy scam projects, buy rug projects and stuff like that. If you want to see more detailed information about filter section, then go to my YouTube channel and watch the previous YouTube videos where I basically explain everything about it. And of course, the next reason is the wallet tracker, where you can basically see I have added bunch of profitable wallets, or you can even see what they are buying and selling in the real time, and then you can decide if you want to jump on that ship as well, which you can of course get from Colscan, or you can go to the random tokens which are performing well at the time being. You can press top traders and then you can see how much money they have made from exact token, and then of course you can add those wallets to the wallet tracker as well. By the way, guys, if you want to trade on Axiom, you have to scroll down. In the description you will see an early access link to Axiom. You press on it and then you will gain access to trade on Axiom trading platform. But alright guys, it's time when I actually reveal the sauce. How did I made $550 trading meme coins? And the answer is super simple. I was basically trading and swinging the exact same chart for 30 minutes using limit orders. I instantly knew that I can take a big advantage of this particular chart because of the low liquidity pool. So basically, I was using the limit orders when I wanted to buy the dips when basically someone makes a big sell. So for example, there I was putting like 3 limit orders with these ranges because I knew if someone makes a big sell, my limit orders will instantly buy. So you have to put, for example, this one, then you press how much you want to buy. You put, for example, 1 solana, then you press buy. It will create a limit order. Basically, when someone makes a big sell, for example, till this range, it will instantly buy the chart. And of course, whenever you wanted to cancel these orders, you simply scroll down, press on orders, and then press cancel all. But whenever my buys went through, I instantly pressed sell because I knew that these bottom ranges I am filling and I knew that people would buy above me. So I instantly pressed sell, and that's how I swing this chart all the time. Literally all the time I was making the limit orders, waiting for people to sell, filling my orders, and then I sold. And that's how I traded this exact chart for literally 30 minutes, making buy sells, buy sells, buy sells with the limit orders. But the best part is that it was actually so easy to do so that you can literally do it as well every single time. But you have to understand one big aspect about this. You can only put limit orders when the token is having a really good volume, which means when basically you would be sure that the orders would be filled instantly. So for example, don't do this when the token doesn't have the motion. Don't put limit orders when there is no movement happening. I mean it, because then you will literally get drained and you will literally get wrecked. So use this strategy when token is having a really good volume, because there is literally always a dip coming. But alright, that's it about this YouTube video. If you want to see more literally interesting strategies when no one is talking about them, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel because I will show you them. Till the next one, peace!